Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming the essentials: a working network and the right account. Once done, update Google Play Games and Google Play services so versions match. Mismatches block sign-in. Next, force stop both apps and clear their caches to remove corrupt temporary data. This often restores the auth handshake. Make sure your primary Google account is active in Settings right arrow accounts. If not, add it now and retry sign-in immediately so you can see whether the basic flow succeeds. Once basic cache and updates are done, address deeper causes. You must grant necessary permissions to Play Games and Google Play services. Without storage or contacts, token exchange can fail. Also, make sure date and time are set to automatic. Inconsistent clocks invalidate authentication tokens. If sign-in still fails, remove your Google account from the device and re-add it, then force a manual sync. These steps refresh credentials and often unblock account authorization that was stuck in the middle of the process. To finish, reinstall Google Play Games or uninstall its updates to revert to a clean state, then update again. Make sure any VPNs, ad blockers, or corporate proxy rules are disabled while signing in because they can block Google's auth endpoints. If problems persist, reset network settings. This clears DNS and routing issues that break sign-in. And if nothing else works, back up your data and consider a factory reset as a last resort. One troubleshooting tip: try a different.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.